That's a weird song to have for like a starting soon song. You say run? Hey, wait a second. Hang on just a second. Wait just a second for just a moment. How's it going, guys? Welcome in, Nerd. Welcome in, Wigfoot. Welcome in, Clark. Welcome in, Chris. Welcome in, Mari. I say run, you say how far. You know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, what up, Cinder? No? Okay. Whatever. Oh, dude. Let me tell you what. You know, that's how I'm feeling. That's how I'm feeling. How you guys feeling? How was your day? How was your Sunday? What up, turtles? How you doing? My bad, my bad. Put a 1 in chat if I haven't said hi to you. Real bad mental? Yep. Yeah, my mental health is ooh, it's the worst it's been this year. Let me tell you what. I don't know what the hell happened. I think, guys, if I can be honest with you, I think the coding burnt me out a little bit. I think it caught up to me. I think the 400 to 600 milligrams of caffeine every day mixed with dehydration and not eating enough food, plus not doing any of my daily chores, I think that really caught up to me. My motivation drained, and I've been today. That's me right now. Yeah, I think the lack of caffeine today, my brain's like, hey, wait a second. I got really used to that. I was really enjoying that. Hey, what happened? Give me more caffeine. And I'm like, soon, but no. My brain is begging me to drink caffeine, and I've got this tub of watermelon G Fuel, and I'm like, you tricky bastard. You son of a bitch. No. So that's my coffee for tomorrow morning. But the worst of dergs, yeah, for sure. For sure. Alcohol definitely doesn't destroy your liver, and definitely isn't technically the worst drug out there that's completely normalized, and it definitely doesn't have effects like on par with heroin or anything like that, but definitely not. No, caffeine, definitely the worst. For sure. A muscle man, y'all saw that? Can I get some gun show in the chat? Can I get some gun show? Don't show without the sponsorship, SMH. Oh, you're actually so right. Hold on. It's more addictive. Alcohol is the most addictive substance on the planet. There you go. Hold on a second. Hold on 1 second. I got you guys. There we go. Yes, that's because it is Ben Shapiro. Put a green screen over the logo, put your logo on it, ZK Fuel. Oh, hold up, true. Now, with new Z Fuel, you too can be caffeinated out of your fucking gourd. Want to look like him? Drink Z Fuel. What a good guy. Look at him, he's just kicking his little feet. Oh, fuck, you can still see the goddamn brand through the sticker. Oh, that's funny as fuck. Alex Fuel. Yeah, who up drinking Alex right now? You know what? Pretend I didn't say anything. All right. The way you did that so quick. I'm always prepared, bro. You know I keep that motherfucking thing on me. All right. So, long story short, though, I've been incredibly moody the last couple of days. I started the beginning of stream yesterday very angry, and I'm just letting you guys know, you know, I'm a touchy little man today as well. So, I'm trying my best to be chill and be calm, but just so you know, I'm a little bit quick to anger. My ego is very fragile today, is what I'm trying to say. So I apologize. I'm self-aware, but that doesn't mean that I am necessarily going to be doing a great job of not lashing out. So I'm sorry. But I'm just letting you know. I'm just being self-aware. Anything I say, I am nothing after all. No! Also, I like the purple name. I can see it on my other monitor. I can't see it in Chat Arena, but I can see it on the other monitor. Yeah. It's been weird. I finished that coding stuff and I drank too much caffeine. I didn't drink enough water. I didn't eat. I didn't work out. I barely even showered. And I was super excited. I was like, "Oh, I'm done." And so Friday and Saturday, I streamed pretty well, I feel like, right? Like I streamed pretty good on Friday and Saturday after the class ended, but I think it last night after I ended stream, a wave of something just washed over me, and like I had so much anxiety last night. And today I'm good, but I'm not as good as I've been. So yeah, there's a something on the inside, and it doesn't feel good. That's what I'll say. Yeah. But my hope is that it's just been lack of water, lack of like proper sleep, and you know, not doing the other stuff that I've been wanting to do and been doing. So, you know, I'm really sorry I'm live so late. Is really what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I'm really sorry, guys. I didn't you know, going live so late, pee poo poo, you know. So I apologize, and I also apologize for the moody behavior this week. It's okay, Zach. It's only 7 p.m. What? I live in the central time zone. It is 9 p.m. right now. Normal though, after being under so much pressure recently, you're like slowly coming out of it and adjusting back to normal ways, you know? Yeah, for sure. I just like it just sucks to feel like shit, obviously. I don't. Yeah. It just sucks. It especially sucks too because like obviously like not everyone who like watches the stream, for example, can like know all that shit. And so if I seem a little bit moody, you know, that sucks. I don't like hurting people's feelings or like, you know, being annoying to be around, for example. So that's the thing, really. I hate to be that guy. So I'm sorry. I've been recently, but hopefully that'll go away pretty soon, given that the coding stuff is done. I made it through, I made it out, and we are all good now. So yeah, hopefully that's done and we're good moving forward. But I just have a little bit of a recovery grace period, I guess, that I was not expecting. So my bad. Trying to get better. Yeah. I feel good overall. You know, but it's just been meh recently, so it's all good. What up, Shoji? How you doing? This song does not fit my vibe right now. This song actually never fits my vibe, I'm gonna be honest. This song fits my vibe about 1% of the time. So I'm gonna pick a different song. But yeah, so just been meh. So I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry. But tonight I get to watch The Last of Us and hang out with Sarah. and then go to bed early. So yeah, I'm not gonna stream for very long today. So I do apologize for that as well. But I'm gonna take it easy today. I'm not gonna stream for too long. We're just gonna vibe for like an hour or so. Maybe 2. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, I don't really feel like playing any games, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But good news, I've streamed 130 hours this month, which I think is pretty cool. We're gonna hit, I think, before the end of January, we can reasonably hit 140. I was shooting for 160, but 160 is like my, like, you know, goated goal. That was my like peak goal, because 160 hours is full time. So that was my goal, but I don't think I'll hit 160, but I also got to kind of reason with myself that I had an unexpected amount of work to do with the coding thing. So it'd be like that, I guess. Zachko, what up, Rachel? Once or twice a week is actually a good idea for the long haul. Yeah, this week has just been bleh. I think tomorrow will feel nice and fresh, though. It'll be Monday, the first week that I don't have any other shit I gotta do. Shit, I actually have something I have to do tomorrow. God damn it. I think I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. Hold on, let me double check. Damn it. I meant no. No one cares. No. No one asked. No one cares. Fuck off. Real? That's pretty real. Yeah, I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. Tab complete and I have beef. I get it. First Monday where I don't have stuff to do. Never mind that thought. Rewind. Yeah. I still think tomorrow will be a fresh start, though. Going to the dentist tomorrow. And then what else do I have going for me? I have D&D on Tuesday. And that's it. That's it. No more coding. I don't have like a class on Monday at the very least, so I can stream late for the first Monday ever. I can stream late. And then Tuesday, I can stream during the day before D&D, and then and I might not even have D&D tomorrow because it looks like it might get canceled just because my friends are going to be busy, and the week after might get canceled too, so we'll see about that. But as far as this week goes, I think it's going to be a good week, so I'm happy about that. I'm excited about that. I'll get to stream, and I'll finally get to start working on some YouTube videos, which I'm very excited about. I'm very excited about getting to work on some YouTube videos. How you holding up to the cold? It's been bad here, really. But I also don't go outside, so, you know, take that as you will. GTA 5 for the 10th time. Sheesh, Rachel. So I'm sorry about the headache. Oh, man. I need to get some party lights in this room. Make my overhead lights flash rainbow colors. Make myself feel better. I actually thought maybe I might code that Alex thing on Python today. Let me see about doing that, actually. Mance hasn't touched grass in almost 5 years. Who, me? Oh, yeah. I guess you're right. Because I've been streaming for 5 years. I guess you're right. That's not necessarily false. Work on any of those vids I started, let me know. I would really like to do a Visage video. Yeah. Okay. Last year, I think. Yo. Hello, Hayden. How are you doing, homie? Have you ever seen it? What up, Meerkat? How you doing? Vibe check? Exclamation bar vibe in the chat if you were vibing. Who are vibing they vibrate now? Who wiggling they worm for real? Who is up wiggling? Hmm. Hold on, I'm trying to find something real quick. I don't see it. One sec. I hate when that happens. My GoXLR is real finicky, and if the thing gets touched a little bit, it gets angry at me. And I accidentally touched it, so it got angry at me and it cut out my music. So I guess I will try and fix my music here in just a second. Sorry about that. Allowed to promo? No self-promo. Work made me in a bad mood, so I'm just chilling. I feel you. Feel we go XLR have that same issue. Wonder if it's a design flaw. Yep. It's weird. It's the GoXLR Mini specifically just doesn't have an external like power source, and something weird is with it where if you like touch the cable, it gets like, I don't know, it like disconnects and then reconnects. Is really weird. Okay, that's pretty much general Twitch etiquette, Meerkat. Don't talk about your stream in other people's chats, pretty much. That's like a pretty normal thing across all the Twitch, I'll be honest with you. Unless the streamer asks you specifically about your stream, it's best not to talk about your stream or self-promo yourself. We used to have a channel point thing for it, and subs, there is a channel in my Discord for it, but otherwise we try to keep our stuff away from that. But yeah. Okay. Let me get this worded real quick. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Gotta get the music sorted. 1 second. Sorry. GoXLR. Come on, buddy. You got it. Back to normal. There it is. Yeah. Yeah, the GoXLR thing is weird. I don't know what it is exactly, but it's definitely weird. Okay. Tell to behave. Yeah, I know, right? Group swearing session for work. So I'm just chilling. Yeah, we all in a bad mood. Bad Sunday, right? What up with that? Plus ratio gamer. Oh man. Time zone. Ways right. Fix was wrong. What, did I go live like really late on Thursday night? Oh yeah, I must have. Totally. Okay, let's move on. Keep it all locked up, so yippee-ki-yay, it's not my blood. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do though, because I don't want to play games. I want to do the Python thing, but I gotta find something real quick. 1 second. Trying to find the scripts, because I have some scripts for my thing, but I was just keep stuff in order. Wasn't sure if you wanted it though. Yeah, no, that's chill. I think it's good to be up, to be honest. All right. I don't know where it would be. Oh, there it is. Think? Is this it? I think this is it. Yeah, this is it. Cool. Okay. Man, don't want to play. Don't want a game. It's not that I don't want a game. I just. I just feel kind of depressed today. To be honest, I just don't really feel like doing a whole lot. I just feel kind of blah, to be honest. So, okay, I think I've got a good idea on what to do here. Let me try and do this. We're gonna open up Visual Studio Code, and I'm gonna try to write a Python script real quick. Let's see here. Where do we check for a command? That's the question that we need. I think I might have found it. We vibe, yeah. I'm gonna try to make the that Python application. Okay, let me open this file. All right, there we are. Let me fix up our scene real quick because we're not currently on the right scene. I mean, we are on the right scene, but there we go. Okay. Let's try and code some Python, huh? Why don't we? Alright, so I'm looking at something. It looks like we're going to need to import some things. We're going to need to import JSON. Not JSON, JSON. We're going to need to import OS. We're going to need to import codecs, maybe? I don't know. I'm looking at one of the scripts that Chris made. So just to be clear, I'm looking at Chris's homework. So let's say thank you to GPDuck for this. These are just the imports. We might not use them all, but that's fine. Okay, so I think we need a function for initializing the app. And let's see, do I need all this stuff or not? That's the real question. I don't know if we need the codex, and I don't know if we need any of the other stuff. We might not. Okay, we might not even need this. So let's get rid of codex real quick. Let's get rid of OS. Let's get rid of time for now, and we'll see. We might end up needing that, but the category would be software and game development, but it doesn't really matter too much. If you want to, software and game development, it's fine. But yeah. Okay, we can do like a script name, co-cult vote. Do a website. Do a description. We'll do that for now. Find it easier. Okay. I see. Here's what I'll do. How do we do this? There's some stuff I need to look at here. How do we look for message? Is parent a default thing? Where does parent come from? Okay. I'm trying to figure out where parent comes from. Might be one of the imports. Let's import all the other ones that Chris had imported on the other one. I don't really need time, I don't think, but... Alright, is parent from one of those? I'm kind of confused on that. Jam. Okay. Where would parent come from? That's the question. Send stream message. Maybe parent. Parent might just be something for the chatbot. Honestly, let me do some research. Python parent. Streamlabs chatbot software download Python script. Make Streamlabs chatbot Python script. Run the file and it downloads completely. Settings as default. You know what you're doing. Okay. How to make Streamlabs Python script. Let's see if this has what I want.
Greetings, hello, and welcome everyone. Welcome to Dev Chatter. My name is Brendan, and this channel here is obviously Dev Chatter. If you are new here, when you get some no sense. I don't want their history, I want to just start my own. Hey, welcome, Suna. Alright, so step one, download a zip of the boilerplate project.
Okay, Streamlabs chatbot Python boilerplate. New window. Just clone this. Alright, let's get this pulled up real quick. Settings module. Someone over and over again means you can't stop thinking about them. Basically. Okay. All right, let's do this. Well, oh. All right, let's import JSON. We'll import sys import OS import. Don't need time. From URL library, we'll import quote. Okay. Script name, website, description, creator, version. Define global variables. Okay. Let's do global settings file. Settings file equals. And we'll do global script settings. Say script settings equals my settings. I'm not exactly sure what all this is, but we'll see. Okay, required initialized data, so we do need an init function. All right. And then we'll need script settings equals my settings. Settings file. We'll need the settings file to equal this file, and that'll be settings settings.json. You can also say directory. Settings, okay. And then we can say, if not, make the directory. And then we're going to do script settings dot response equals overwritten. Just for fun, return that. Okay, we'll see what that ends up doing. We need an execute with some kind of data. Okay, and then we see if there's a chat message, basically. And parent.is on cooldown. And what is this parent, though? That's the question. I guess parent is the entire... This is what I want to know. I want to know what the parent is. Parent is what I need to know about. I'm guessing parent is just... assume parent is just all of the Python that the bot actually runs on. So like, let's see, parent dot send stream message. Okay, let's see. Let's see here. Execute. Where's our execute run at? Our settings. Okay, where are we checking for the command? That's the question. Okay. So let's say global settings. Let's say if data dot get parameter 0 does not equal hashtag Alex Army or hashtag cocult return. And let's say if parent, hold on a second. I'm not sure what that part would be. So let's say cool down, now playing. All right, let's see here. Okay. 'Let's see here. Let me double check a few things. One second. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to check for like these hashtags. But I'm trying to figure out how to do that with the boilerplate for the bot. So script settings command. Okay, so we need to look at like what the settings are. I don't know where I have these installed currently though. Okay. So we can make settings, script settings, settings file. So I need a settings file. I need to make a settings file. Let's see. Don't have anything that I would want to change with this. I'm on the right track here, but I'm not 100% certain what I'm doing with this. I don't need to do like a whole lot here. I think I can do data here and do like if data dot get param 0. I think I can do that for this too, because I think this is how you get the user input. We need a way to track if a user has voted, but I don't know exactly how to do that right now. We can return that, but that's not how we want to send the message, I don't think. So I think the way we want to send the message is with a parent something. So parent send stream message, I think. Yeah, I think it's parent.send message. So I think it's parent.send stream message. And then it would be Alex Army. There, I think we'll do like a string. There are plus. Is this how we do it? I think we go stir like this to change it to a string plus members of the Alex Army. I think we can do the same thing for the co-cult. Okay. But the counter needs to be in the execution, I think. Script settings dot command. I think we put this in our execute. I don't think this needs to be in the counter. I think this can just be in the execute. I think we just say that could tie in with Colt. Ooh, that's not a bad idea. What if it was a little guy slowly putting on a hood? The higher up you got. Top song from last year, really? Good song. I think what we do here is we say if data.getParam is whatever. This is like broken. Hold on. There we go. And then here is where we need something. What do we put here? We say if the data dot whatever. I don't even necessarily think we need this, so I'm going to comment that out for now. How do I comment in Python? Just a hashtag, okay. I could have looked right here. Okay, so I think we basically say if the data parameter is !co_cult, then check if the users voted, and if they haven't, add one to the co-cult count, and then return a message. I don't even think we need a return statement though. I think we can just do parent.sendMessage. And I think here we can just say if data.is chat message and data.get param 0 dot lower equals that, and okay. Let me check that in a second. Yeah, that sounds pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we can put the command on cooldown. Script settings. Let's look at the script settings. Settings module. F.right. Where's the cooldown? 10. My settings. Is this for generating the settings file? It says script settings.cooldown. Reload settings. Call when a user clicks the save settings button in the chatbot UI. Okay, how do we make the UI? I'm not really sure what I need to do for some of this, but it's okay. I'm going to say global, then I'm going to say co-cult equals 0. I'm going to say global Alex Army. And I'm going to say global user has vote. Okay. Turn on the execute. Okay. And then we need some kind of tick data. Required tick method. Okay, let's look at the tick method. What does it say? It says, the tick method says, gates called during every iteration even when there's no incoming data. Okay. It's fine. And then we could use a parse method. Don't really need anything there, right? Don't think so. Okay. Reload settings could be cool. Let's just copy paste this. My parameter. Okay. I see why you would want the parse. Unload. User reloads their scripts are closest to the bot. Okay. Don't need that. Script toggled. Or enables it. Don't need that either. Okay. Let's just try what we have right now. And we'll go from here. And then we can just comment out this part because we don't have that. Okay, I don't think this is going to work immediately, but we can see what happens. And then I might need some kind of UI configuration, which is just a JSON file. So let me do that. Okay. I'll have an output file for the settings. Don't need an auth token though. Hey Lex, appreciate the lurk. Don't need a refresh token, don't need an API, don't need anything like that. So I will just do that, honestly. Okay. Pretty simple little guy. So let me go ahead and package this up in a zip and send it to my other computer real quick. All right. Let's see. Can I do this? I think I need to package it up inside of my zip file. Well and good, and you'll look great in your green suit. Thanks, Lex. Okay, I'm okay though. Lex, I'm just I'm feeling a bit bleh. The last week caught up to me finally, so I've just been exhausted all day. So I'm just feeling a bit meh, but I'll be alright. Some rest, yeah. I'm gonna watch The Last of Us here in like the next 30 minutes ish. I'm gonna hop off stream. I'm kind of streaming today just to keep my daily streak alive of streaming and trying to do a little coding work that I wanted to do for the stream, make like a custom command thing. And then I'm gonna hop in bed, watch the last episode with my girlfriend, and then we'll be good. Hi handsome, how's it going, Maestro? How you doing? Code and chill. Yeah, we're just doing a little coding, chilling, and then I'm gonna go to bed and watch The Last of Us with Sarah, and yeah. How's it going? It's going alright. It's going alright. OSRS for the one quest I changed to female. I never changed back. Not sure if I'm gonna. Wait, what? Which one? Thanks for asking. Of course, of course. I appreciate you coming in. Stopping in. It's a bit of a weird stream today. I apologize. It's a super lax stream because I've had like a really weird mental health day today. Nothing like crazy happened or anything. I just been feeling off today, so one of those days. Hoping to be back to normal, fun, entertaining stuff tomorrow. But we're just kind of being super chill today. Guys in love, appreciate that, Lex. Doesn't Golden made me change the female for the quest. I forget which one though. Yeah, which I want to know which quest. Because I don't remember doing that one. But also valid. Trying to figure out where I want to save this to. This is Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. Yawn moment. All right, let me try something. Hmm. Hey, what's up, Ken? How you doing, homie? Guy that does 7 days. They started a sub-server for Darkness Falls mod. Rough mod, fun though. Yeah, I want to play more 7 days soon and get more into it. Finish off my playthrough. And then do some more stuff with it. Ooh. Definitely miss playing it. Got so much shit going on. Just been bleh. My mind. Okay. So what's going on here? I'm writing a custom command. The command is gonna let's see. I'm not just a command, sorry. Doing a couple things here, but I'm trying to write a custom script for my chatbot. So I'm working on that right now. The idea is basically, if someone in the chat were to say like !cocult, sorry, cocult, like that, then my bot would add 1 count to the cocult command. And then, yeah, so like, we have this new like meme, right? Like pick a side, and you either pick cocult or Alex Army. And so you're either a part of the cocult or you're a part of the Alex Army. And I am the cocult. I think it might, maybe Zach Pack or Alex Army might be the move, and both of them fall under the umbrella of cocult. Maybe that's the better way to go about this, actually, now that I think about it. But yeah, the long story short, praise you for your good choice. Could do that. Who's Alex? Oh, who's Alex? Who's Alex? Who is Alex? Okay. Oh, who is Alex? Damn. That's crazy. Who is that? Who is that guy? You know what I mean? That's crazy. But, so there's Alex, and then there's Zach, right? And Alex got me acting up. That's what I'm saying. Look at him with his legs up like that, too. Look at that dude. He's just out here kicking his feet. I mean, shit. You know? And so we're starting a manufactured culture war. That is, you either pick, you're on my side or you're on his side, and you have to pick a side. So that way I can profit, obviously. always wear what Zach wears. It is weird. He's always wearing a black shirt and gold chain. It's weird. And glasses. I don't know. Something's up with that. Must be the twin telepathy or whatever. But yeah, so that's what's up with that. But I'm currently writing a custom script for my bot, so that way we can track if someone says one or the other, and then once they do, it'll keep track of it for us. So let's see. I was looking at the boilerplate code. I gotta look at some other code real quick to double check exactly how it should work. So I think what we want is I don't think we need this part. Hashtag cocult. Yeah, exactly. So, okay, we would need... Maybe we don't need any of this. So I'm going to comment all this out. And then any of this stuff, I think we can get rid of that. Probably get rid of this as well. So on our initialization, I think what we also want here is settings. And then we don't need any kind of expiration though. Then we can say global settings, and then I think we do this. Like that. And then I guess we try this. Codecs open. This is how we get our settings file. I stole my songs. This is the Zach community playlist. So these might be, you might have added these, to be honest. Or maybe you added them from here. See who added this one. This one was added by Infamous. But you had added the last one. And this one. And also the gray one, yes. My eyes are starting to hurt. I got alert. No worries, Kent. Thanks for stopping in, man. I appreciate seeing you. Alright, and then I don't think we need to do any of that. We can just return immediately. Yeah. And then we don't need this. Okay, let's just run this for now. I'm currently renaming a couple files. Okay, let's try this now. Okay. Hold on. There it is. All right. Just gonna put it here for now. What? Okay. I'm so confused. This makes no sense. My computer is basically saying that I can't transfer the file because the the drive is not available, but the thing is the drive is literally available because I'm in it right now. How does that make any sense? All right. Well, maybe I can make this work anyway. Okay. I don't know. Something about the way that it was set up, I guess, is weird, but we're good now. Apparently, in theory, I have it installed, but it is not like showing up. So I'm not sure why that is. I guess I have something wrong. Maybe I need to rename a file. Let me try renaming the file. Butter noodles, yo. Sounds nice. Let me try this. Oh, there it is. All right, let's see what happens if I do this. Okay, nothing happens if I do that. Dot lover. Holy shit. I'm so dumb. Maybe you should double check your work. Whoops. Okay. Let me try again. I got it to show up though, so that's cool. Co-Colt Alex Army is there. Nice. Let me do this real quick. See if that actually worked. I'm not sure if that would have actually worked or not. Okay, that doesn't work. But I got a lot of it working, which is kind of cool. Okay. Now the question is, what else do I need to do to make it work? Well, I probably need to make that an equal sign. That would probably help. Let me do this. Open script folder. Co-Colt, Alex Army. Reload that. See if X-Metric song still works. It does, okay. We're on the right track, at the very least, which is cool. Okay, let's reload our scripts real quick. I'll enable that. Save the settings and reload it one more time. Alright. So it doesn't work right now. That's okay. Okay, the next thing we need to do is we need to double check. Just a few things. Let's see here. Get our settings. Wonder if we should start having people send video ideas soon for overnights, assuming the streamathon happens. Yes, for sure. Okay, so we have our settings here. We've got if data is chat message. Let's just say data dot get parameter. I'm a little bit confused on a couple things. But it's okay. Alright, we need a save settings. I think. Maybe. I'm not sure if we need that actually. Alright. I don't need to do any kind of API calls. I should be able to just get the message and then send a message, but I'm not sure why I can't. I'm not sure if there's like something I'm missing, because as far as I can tell, I basically have everything I need at this point to make this work. So I don't know where things are weird now. Maybe what I need to do is I need to initialize Alex Army co-cold there. I actually don't know. Maybe. Actually, yeah, probably. Let's go ahead and just throw these in here. I've never programmed in Python before, so this is a learning experience. Alright, let's do the same thing over here. Oh shit! A rat! Okay, so I messed up the message because they both say the same thing. Let me fix that real quick. Okay. Now the big thing that I have to do is figure out how to make it track if a user has voted or not. Because I can obviously vote more than once. So I think the way I can do that is this user has vote. I can make an object with that. So let's try and pull a user. Yeah, actually huge progress. The fact that I can get the bot to respond is actually crazy. That's pretty fucking sick, honestly. Okay, I need to give a cooldown. I can do the cooldown pretty easily. Let me get the cooldown setting sorted. It'll be like if parent is on cooldown, basically. I think it's data.username. Let's figure that out real quick. So let's say if parent dot get username dot lower equals Zach underscore co. Parent dot send stream message not you else. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's copy paste this right here. Co-cult. Fix the indenting. Okay. So like that, if I do that, I think that'll make it to where it should be good. It'll say if, and then we'll do another if statement. If parent dot username dot lower, is it dot lower? Yeah, equals Zach underscore co. Parent dot send stream message not you. Okay, and then we'll say else, and then we'll do the proper indent, and we'll save that. This is just a test, so let's reload our scripts. So if I do exclamation mark co-call, it should just say not you. Can you do Alex Army? Cinder, can you do exclamation mark co-call? Okay, so I just broke the exclamation mark co-call completely. Larkin, if you need any testers, sweet. Thank you, Schultz. I'm not sure why that broke it. Parent send stream message. Alright, well, let's just get rid of that if else statement and see if that refixes it. Should. Oh, I think I see why. I think my indents were broke. Yeah. So this should be here, I think. Let me reload real quick. Okay, so that's just not working now. I just do this and reload it one more time. Okay, so that's working again. All right. Let's see. If else. So this isn't working. I want it to check the username. But, oh, that's why, because I'm doing parent instead of data, right? Yeah, data.user. I'm so stupid. Okay. Coding is so dumb. God damn it. Okay. Let me fix this. Right here. This just needs to be if data. Like that. Alright, let's just see if this works. I need to go here and I need to say if data dot username dot lower equals Zach underscore co, and then I need to say parent dot send stream message not you plus string. Who up coding the spaghetti right now? Yo, you on your spaghetti code for real? What up, doggy? Okay, I think this will work. We'll find out though. I heard spaghetti, I'm here. What up, boy? How you doing? Not you, but the count for cold is 1. Nice. Okay, and then if I were to just indent that into the if statement, or rather put that in an else statement, like that. And I reload. Cool. And then can someone else in chat do exclamation mark co-cult? Very nice. Okay. So I think that the next step is basically for me to make objects that store the name and a boolean for whether or not you voted. And I think the way I would do that is I would change the user has vote to something like this. Users that voted equals, and then we'll do an object. And I think in the object we basically say name. And then we'll say just like this name, or say placeholder name for now. And then we say, do I need to define name? Not defined. I think this is fine. I don't know if this is how you define an object in Python or not, but it's how you do it in JavaScript. So we'll say name placeholder, and then we'll say has voted. And then we'll just say false. Okay, how to define an object in Python. Who tries to vote more than once? You already voted, Noodlehead. So true. How to define object in Python. Oh, do I have to do classes? Okay, I might have to do a class. If I have to do a class, that's fine, but I just wasn't really expecting to have to do a class, but that's fine. Okay, let's define a class. Class user has vote. And then in the class, we want to do they were the one that voted. True. Okay, you're right. Data dot user name, and then I'll stringify that. So I'll say string plus that. Level 6 bison and shipment. That's dope. Alright, I'm not gonna write much more tonight. I got on a streak of making progress and didn't realize the time. But I gotta go pretty soon if I want to watch this episode with Sarah before she passes out. She's also had a bad day. She's really tired. Can I get one of you guys to do the exclamation mark Cokel real quick? Nice. Very cool. Cool. Farming cocolts, I see. You see, the big thing is that I need to store that number. That's what I need to do right now. So, in order to store the count, I'm trying to set up a class. And then I would need to store the number somehow too, because right now it doesn't have persistence. Like, basically, if I restart, like, if I just reload this, then everything goes away. So like if you guys do it again, it'll start from 1. If you guys want to try that real quick, because I just reloaded it again. So I need to find a way to add some persistence for those variables, but yeah. Build a table of usernames in each. So what I'm planning on doing is basically this. I know how I'm going to store whether or not you voted. I just need to figure out how to store the numbers on reload. That's the thing. Because I don't have any examples for storing data that like stay persistent on reload. Best of 12 for a year. That'd be funny. Well, I can add tons of different like stuff to this once I actually get it working. The big thing is getting it working right now. And to get it working, the one thing that I wanted to do real quick was just write this class. And I think the way that we do that is just basically say, this is how you make a constructor, I think. And so here I'll say, name has vote. And then I'll say self.name equals name and self.vote equals has vote. And then from there, I could say basically user1 equals user has vote, and then pass that the data.username and hey gamer, hey auto, and then also pass it false, basically. But I think there's another way I can do this, which is to basically, instead of like making an object and storing it that way, like I don't even think I need to do all this. This is kind of extra complications that I don't need to do. I think instead what I can do, like this isn't necessary. I think what I can do is I can just say, like, let's make an array. Users that voted, that's the array. And then inside here, we'll just say global users that voted. This is like adding complexity that's not super necessary. But the way that I would do this is I would like how to push to array in Python append. So I think I would say like else. So I think we'd write like a for loop. I'm just gonna write myself a note for tomorrow, so that way I can get off stream for the night. But for loop iterates over users that voted array if data dot username dot lower is in users that voted array, do not count vote, else count vote. always return current count, basically. I think that's basically what I'm going to do. So instead of if not user has vote, I'll say well, we'll say for data dot username dot lower. Like that. For loop Python for blank and blank. No, I don't want for in. I want looping through. For X and banana, no. I'm trying to find a way to else in for loop. Oh, wait, that's it. Print all numbers from 0 to 5 and print a message when the loop has ended. Keyword loop specifies a block of code to be executed when the loop is finished. Oh no, that's not it. Range function, X and range. I don't want any of this. Well, this is not exactly how... This is not exactly how for loops work in JavaScript, so... it's unfortunate. I might end up having to do what I thought. I'm not really sure. My hope was that, like, I could store... Maybe I'll just use a while loop. Where I say... I equals... array length method in Python. Stardew. Oh. Dot len. Okay. So I'll say I equals users that voted dot len. And then I'll say while. Hi Hallie, how you doing? I'll say while I is less than oh wait, no. I equals 1, and then while I is less than users that voted dot len. How you doing? I'm doing alright. I'll be better tomorrow. Today's been an day, but it'll be chill. It'll be alright. Okay, we'll say data.username.lower. We'll say while I is less than this. And then what we want to do is we want to say we don't want this anymore. Appreciate the lurk, Sykes. I'm only going to be live for like another 4 minutes, but yeah. Thank you very much for stopping in. Okay, let's see. While I is less than users that voted length, we need to do what? while I is less than users that voted at length. So we're running through this every time. Got to do the same thing with Guild Wars 2. Wait, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by the same thing? Wrong chat? Question mark. Or am I just stupid? 2 hours. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, I just wanted to get a stream in today. I wanted to stream all day today. I was gonna hit 160 hours streamed this month if I streamed for 8 hours a day today, tomorrow, and the next day. But I've just for some reason felt really bad the last 2 days. So started after I ended stream yesterday, but it's all good. All good, homie. I just didn't realize the like context of what you were saying. All right. Yeah, I wanted to just go through this array and then basically like see if it contained. Can I just like check if an array contains something in Python? See, the problem with this is basically like, oh wait, check if list contains element with not in operator. If bird not in animals. Okay, that might be actually exactly what I need. That's actually literally exactly what I need. Perfect. If data.get user name dot lower, if string data dot username dot lower not in users that voted cocult +1, else it would be users that voted dot append data dot get user name dot lower. I think this is gonna work. Can I get one of you to do cocult? This is the last test before I end. Excellent shark cocult, please. I broke it. I broke it all. Damn. Well, that's alright. Breaker of codes, yeah. That's alright. I'm on the right track, so I can fix it tomorrow. For now, I'm gonna get off stream and go watch the episode with Sarah, because it is late. Guys, thanks for being here. I'm I'm not gonna raid anyone tonight, but please go check someone else out. Nandre's live, Rice is live. I'm not sure if anyone else is live right now, but those are the 2 people I have in my chat arena, so thanks for coming through, guys. Sorry for the meh stream tonight, but can't be on top of it every single day. At least not yet. We're getting there, though. We're getting there. We're doing better each day. Each month. Improving. And that's what matters. But I am not there yet, so we'll get there, though. We'll get there. Been a weird couple days, but we'll get there. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it very much. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a fantastic night, guys. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.